There is a certain kind of fast food restaurant that has been around so long, you stop questioning how it still exists. Jack in the Box is that restaurant. 75 years of clown heads, jumbo burgers, confusing drive-through speakers, and one of the strangest brand histories in fast food. But lately, Jack in the Box is struggling. Not just a weak quarter kind of struggling. We are talking about $1.7 billion in debt, hundreds of store closures, falling sales, and a stock price that dropped nearly 80% since 2023. Today, we are looking at how Jack in the Box got here, and somehow, the story involves kangaroo meat, dynamite, E. coli, and a fictional CEO with a ping-pong ball head. It started in San Diego in 1951 when Robert O. Peterson created Jack in the Box, using an early drive-through intercom system and a clown mascot. The restaurant quickly became known for its giant clown head on the roof and the slogan, "Pull forward, Jack will speak to you." By the late 1960s, the chain had expanded across California and the Southwest. Then came one of its biggest strengths, breakfast. Years before McDonald's introduced the Egg McMuffin, Jack launched the Breakfast Jack Sandwich. Breakfast became one of the company's biggest categories and eventually turned into an all-day menu long before competitors copied the idea. The company kept growing through the 1970s and opened its 1,000th restaurant in 1980. But expansion to the East Coast failed badly, forcing the company to close hundreds of locations. In the early 1980s, Jack in the Box completely changed its image. The company literally ran commercials showing employees blowing up the clown mascot with dynamite. The old circus theme disappeared, replaced by a more modern look and a more adult-focused menu. Jack added salads, fajitas, sandwiches, and dozens of new items. But then came the first major scandal. In 1981, inspectors discovered some imported beef shipments actually contained horse meat and kangaroo meat. The company claimed it had no idea the meat had been substituted, but the damage to the brand was real. Then came something much worse. In 1993, an E. coli outbreak linked to Jack in the Box burgers infected more than 700 people across 4 states. 4 children died. The outbreak became one of the biggest food safety disasters in fast food history. Sales collapsed, stores suffered massive losses, and the company nearly failed completely. But somehow, Jack survived. In 1994, the company brought back the clown mascot in a completely different way. Instead of a cartoon mascot for kids, Jack became a fictional CEO in a business suit with a giant clown head. The ads were weird, sarcastic, and targeted younger audiences. And surprisingly, they worked. The company recovered through the late 1990s and 2000s, eventually growing into a multi-billion-dollar business again. Jack later bought Qdoba in 2003, helping expand the Mexican fast casual chain nationally before selling it years later. Then in 2021, Jack bought Del Taco for $575 million, hoping the two brands could grow together. That strategy has not gone well. Today, Jack in the Box is once again facing major problems. The company ended 2025 with roughly $1.7 billion in debt. Sales have continued falling, and the company announced plans to close 150 to 200 locations as part of a turnaround strategy called Jack on Track. Several problems hit the chain at once. California raised fast food minimum wages to $20 an hour. Beef prices increased sharply, and franchise owners struggled to maintain profitable stores. At the same time, customers started complaining more about food quality. Reviewers criticized greasy burgers, soggy buns, and extra charges for sauce packets. Even a bun change in 2016 caused backlash, with customers creating petitions demanding the original sesame seed buns return. But the biggest issue may be identity. Jack in the Box sells burgers, tacos, breakfast, egg rolls, salads, and late-night food all at once. The variety gives customers options, but it also means the chain is not truly known for one thing. McDonald's dominates fries, Taco Bell dominates dominates late night. In-N-Out dominates California burgers. Jack in the Box sits somewhere in the middle, known for doing everything, but not necessarily being the best at anything. Now, the company's new CEO, Lance Tucker, is trying to turn things around while investors push for major changes. Jack in the Box has survived scandals, failed expansions, bad acquisitions, and even kangaroo meat. The company has rebuilt itself before, but this time there is no single disaster to recover from, just years of declining sales, rising costs, customer complaints, and fewer people choosing to visit. The question now is whether Jack in the Box can reinvent itself one more time, or whether this is finally the moment the clown runs out of second chances. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary. And comment down any questions you have, or let us know which restaurant or food brand you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.